Hello everyone. Hope all of you are staying safe and healthy. Last weekend, we had been to Sakleshpur along with our friends for 2 days trip. Sakleshpur is one of the popular weekend destinations from Bangalore and we had an amazing stay at Nature Nestate. We thoroughly enjoyed all the activities and homely food. When your surroundings are beautiful, you just feel calm. So thought to take you along. Hope you enjoy, so keep watching. Bangalore to Sakleshpur is around 220 kilometers and almost 5 hours journey. Our group consisted of 4 families and we had booked a tempo traveler for the journey. So we started from home at around 4 am so that we could reach the destination by 10 am at least. The foggy view during the journey was too good. My son Advik has a tendency of puking during any journey, so we were trying our best to keep him engaged. My elder son Akshat was having fun along with his friends. At around 8:30 am, we stopped at a restaurant named Anakha for breakfast. After getting refreshed and refueling ourselves, we continued the journey. We had a nice time playing Antakshari during the journey, and I think that's the advantage we get when we hire another vehicle while traveling as a group. We reached Sakleshpur by 11 am and the first thing that we noticed here is the greenery. We had our booking done at Nature Nestate Homestay and this is the lane towards its entrance. If I talk about the homestay, we had very low expectations while booking, but I must admit it ended up being pretty good. The highlights include authentic food, great ambience and amazing hospitality. Let me also highlight the fact that this is not a sponsored video, but I did tell them that I'm a vlogger. The staffs were very friendly and they offered us the welcome drink. After having that, we headed towards our rooms. This is the outside view of the homestay and one room is at the ground floor. Top floor was of 2 glass houses and 1 wood house. The view from the glass house is very nice. After getting refreshed, we decided to explore the in-house activities. This one is a dormitory with a grass house at the top. We all went there and clicked some nice pictures. After that, kids started with the activities. There are paid activities too, but timing was from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. This is the place for playing mud volleyball. Now let me highlight some of the features of this homestay. This is a beautiful coffee estate with clean rooms, safe and secure place with tasty food and some activities. Staffs are so kind and polite. Again, let me reiterate that this is not a sponsored video and we pay 2000 rupees per adult and 1000 rupees per kid. This includes the accommodation, 3 meals and other activities. The estate walk, food, bonfire and just hanging around was one of the best things we did. We highly recommend it to everyone, especially ones with kids, as they will really enjoy the time well spent here. After exploring the activities, we headed towards the dining area for lunch. Lunch was too good and the dessert was so yummy, we even asked them for the recipe. So you can guess how tasty it would have been. The staffs provided us ice creams as well. After having lunch, we spent some time sitting in the outdoor area and later explored other activities. Kids were waiting for their turn to play in the swimming pool. The staffs cleaned the pool and filled fresh water for us. Usually wherever we go, chlorine water will be filled in advance, and this was the first time experience for us, and we got a kind of private pool. Staff provided us a Bluetooth speaker and we played our favorite songs and had an amazing time playing inside the pool along with rain dance. By then it was 5 p.m. and the staff served us tea along with some snacks. At night, they set up the campfire and we had an amazing barbecue night. Next day morning, we woke up to this lovely view. Staffs provided morning tea and coffee at our room itself. We had that and then had a lovely time with the nature walk at the estate. After getting refreshed, we had our breakfast. By 11, we checked out from there and headed towards Manjarabad Fort. The plan was to visit the fort, Bisleghat viewpoint and Yagachi Dam. One of the unique forts in the country, Manjarabad Fort was built by Tipu Sultan. It has octagonal design with 8 walls and attracts a number of visitors. Even though we were in full josh to go towards the fort, by the time we climbed 150 steps, we all were dead tired. The fort view was mesmerizing. Kids were cranky since it was very sunny, and for the same reason we had to make changes in our initial plan. We decided to skip Bisleghat viewpoint and headed towards Yagachi water sports. On the way we had lunch from Mayura Hotel at Bangalore. Kids retained their energy after seeing the water rides at Yagachi water sports. We all eagerly waited for our turn to get into the ride. And after getting inside, the water ride experience was also amazing. All in all, we had a great time at Sakleshpur, and as we focus on slow travel, we have not covered all the touristic spots, but the trip in itself is the one which offers us the joy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video. Take care everyone and stay safe. Bye bye.